Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently uninstall widgets in Windows 11. Widgets can be a handy feature for some, but if you don't find them useful, they can be a bit distracting. So let's get started on how to completely remove them from your system. The first step is to right-click on your taskbar. In the menu that pops up, you will see an option that says Taskbar Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Taskbar Settings window where you can control everything related to your taskbar, including widgets. Once you're in the Taskbar Settings, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Taskbar Items. In this section, you will see a toggle for widgets. Simply turn off this toggle to disable the widgets button on your taskbar. This will stop the widgets from showing up on your taskbar. Now let's move on to completely removing widgets from your system. To do this, click on the Start menu and search for PowerShell. Right-click on PowerShell and choose Run as Administrator. In the PowerShell window, type the following command: get apps package, Microsoft Windows.client.web experience, vertical bar, remove apps package. Press Enter to execute the command. This will remove the widgets app from your system entirely. Once it's done, you won't see widgets anymore, even if you open the Start menu or try to access them from anywhere else. It's important to note that this method removes the Widgets app from your PC, but it doesn't affect any other Windows apps. So your system remains safe and intact. If for any reason you ever decide that you want to bring widgets back, don't worry, it's easy to reinstall the widgets feature. You will simply need to go to the Microsoft Store, search for widgets, and reinstall it from there. It will reappear on your taskbar and be functional again. Now, one more thing to mention: if you have previously disabled widgets but want to make sure that it's completely gone and won't return, you might want to adjust your group policy settings. To do this, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog and type gpadit.msc. Press Enter to open the group policy editor. In the editor, navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Widgets. Here, double-click on the Allow Widgets setting and choose Disabled. This ensures that widgets won't be re-enabled in the future even after updates. Once you have done that, click Apply and OK, and you're all set. And that's it. You have now permanently uninstalled widgets from your Windows 11 system. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.